Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. If you're new here, thanks for coming in and joining, and this is a weird video for you to pop in on, but that's okay. Thanks for being here. Today, I do not have a Sephora haul, as it may look. I have asked my husband to pick out a full face of makeup for me without any help or guidance. You know, we'll see what he picked out. But I just wanted to do a fun little challenge. I got this idea from Jessica Braun. I don't know if she is the originator of this. I don't think so, but I will link her channel down below. I'm also wearing a t-shirt from my friend's bar/arcade. It's called Free Play. I'll link it down below as well. I think a lot of us are having a hard time with the current state of affairs. But I wanted to encourage you guys to support your local businesses, support your friends who are business owners. I'm not able to go to the bar/arcade right now, but I was able to buy a t-shirt to support them. And I would encourage you to do the same. If you would like to support my friend's bar, that would be incredible. But, you know, do what you can. Try to put good out into the world. That's all I'm gonna say on that. Okay, so let's see what he picked out. I'm nervous. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, okay. All right. Okay, so the first thing I see is a primer. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Quench Primer, and I will apply that all over my face. It's gonna be a very dewy day, guys. Very dewy. Okay, and then, well, should I do my eyes first? I guess it doesn't matter. He picked out the MAC Studio Water Weight Foundation. This is in the color NC20. I'm actually NC15, but this will be fine. Okay, so I've got my Real Techniques blending sponge, beauty sponge. We all know what this is, I just don't know what it's called. And I'm gonna use, this foundation has to be shook. It is water-based, obviously, and it is light to medium coverage, and I'm almost out of it. Oh, I'm almost out. Okay, well then, okay. Oh, too much. Okay. All right. Okay, so that's the foundation. Okay, and then for concealer, he went full coverage. We have the NARS Complete Matte Concealer in Creme Brulee. I don't normally use this under my eyes. And it doesn't look like he gave me a setting powder. So this will be fun. Ooh, that is dry. Okay, well, at least it's full coverage. So, you know, small victories there. He gave me 2 cream contours. I'm trying to figure out how I could use both of these. I'll use the Fenty first. I'm glad I didn't say he had to pick up my brushes too. Okay, and then I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild contour in Oaks on You as more of a bronzer. Ooh, I used way too much. Okay. Let's just blend that in a little bit. It doesn't look bad on camera, but it was very orange. He did give me an eye primer, so good job, babe, for that. This is the Urban Decay Primer Potion in Minor Sin, which has a nice little light shimmery texture to it. Okay, so that's nice. And then he gave me a blush palette and a palette that has blush. So I guess I'm supposed to use this. He just wanted to give me options, but I feel very overwhelmed. I'm gonna go in with the color Playful and a little bit of Alive. This is the Profusions blush palette as well, in case I didn't say that. I'm gonna use the highlight that's in the Tarte Whitney Simmons palette. It's called Flex. Okay, and then let's do eyes. I'm concerned because for lips, he gave me super bright red liquid lip and a super bright pink lip liner. So I feel like I need to go a little bit more neutral on the eyes, but I also don't want to like feel like I'm chickening out a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with the color Tone Up and use that as my transition shade. Okay, and then I'm gonna take a smaller crease brush and take the color Flex, which is a matte brown color, and throw that on the outer corner. Ooh, too much. I forget how pigmented that color is, dang. Okay, and now with my finger, I'm gonna take the highlight color Flex again and just throw that on like the inner third of my eye. I really should have zoomed you in for all this, but here we are. My under eyes are starting to crease already because there's no powder. Okay, and then for mascara, he gave me the ColourPop BFF Volumizing Mascara. And I like this mascara, I just don't use it very often. Oh, man. Okay, we had a mascara casualty, so I'm gonna let that dry and then flake it off. Now, I realize that we are coming to a problem because I don't have a brow product. And I feel like these eyeshadows are a little warm toned, but we're gonna try it. I'm gonna take Handy Dandy Brow Brush. This is from Walmart a long time ago. I don't even think I'll be able to link it, but any angled brush with a spoolie is good. And I'm gonna take Snatched first, which is kind of a neutral tan color, and start off with that. Okay, that's not bad, that's not bad. Okay, that's really not bad. Okay, I'm gonna take off this mascara. Oh, dear. So this normally works when I have powder on, but I don't have powder, and this foundation is very dewy, so it's just smearing it. Okay, before I move on to the other brow, I gotta fix this. I'm gonna take the concealer again. Oh man. Oh, okay, that's a little bit better. That was a new experience for me. All right, let's do the other brow. Okay, it's definitely a red toned brow, but it's fine. Okay, let's do the lips. All right. Yay. I should have guessed that he would do this because I know that he really likes a bold lip on me. The pink is an odd choice. Okay, I've lined my whole mouth. It's even enough. And now we're gonna take, this is the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit matte lipstick, and it's in the color Missy and Fierce. Oh, she thick. Possibly the worst application I've ever done. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Okay, we can fix this, guys. We can fix this. Don't worry. Don't panic. Okay, I'm just gonna take a really small flat brush. You cannot see that. That's okay. And my concealer. And I'm just gonna take a little bit because I only need to fix this one little area. Good as new. Now I'm just gonna take the lip liner and sharpen it up. Okay. All right, and then the last thing is the Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray 24-hour wear. He's real confident today, I guess. I don't like this stuff. It feels like a sheet of plastic that I'm putting on my face. Whew. That sprayer is not good. Okay. Well, I'm not wearing any powder, so I don't really know what that was supposed to do. But here we are. Okay. I'm gonna say that's the finished look. I guess, I don't know, do I zoom you in? Is that good? Are we cool? All right. This was a lot of fun. I would definitely recommend trying it if you make videos, or even if you want to just do it on Instagram. That would be fun. Cool. Tag me if you do that. I hope you guys are staying sane, staying healthy, staying home, and I will see you guys on Thursday. Thanks so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram. It is @EmilyFunBun. Okay, bye guys.